Hey guys, so Bombay and Cedar sent me one of these boxes to unbox with you guys and review, and I didn't do it on camera because I feel like crap. So we're just going to go ahead. I'm going to tell you about the box and then we're going to jump into the unboxing. Now, they sent me the premium box for March, and the value of this box is actually $141.69 to $143.69 depending on which item that you got. The mini box for March is worth $89.79, and the theme is Blossom for March. Now, I do have a few things up on the screen that tell about the box, so there are two different boxes that you can choose from, and they are of course monthly. Now, the premium box, I've got prices and everything up on the screen on how much these boxes are. It's like aromatherapies and wellness and lifestyle. Just products and stuff that make you feel so good. I mean, I just love stuff like this, essential oils and all of that. Now, this thing right here, I believe is a planner that they sent me, and it has mint on it, so I am assuming it's mint seeds and everything. So I cannot wait to get in there and play around with that and see what I can do with it. I have never had a green thumb, so I cannot wait to see if I could actually grow something in this. And again, I believe there's mint seeds in it, or at least that's what it says. Now, this is a box, and everything was packaged so nicely. Everything was protected, bubble wrapped. There was paper in there to keep everything from shaking around. This is the actual box that was inside the bigger box that it was inside, because I guess the planner was in there and it was really big. Now, this is a book that they send, and it shows the theme and everything. It's got recipes inside. It also shows every one of your items on both of the boxes, the premium and the mini. No matter which one you get, it shows the value of both of them and all of that. This is a book I actually got, and I love this book. Now, inside of this book, it's got so many like different phrases and different logos on just stuff that makes you feel good, and just I love the book. This is a great book to just put on your tabletop or whatever you want to do with it, or when you're having a really crappy day, just open it up and see what page it flips to. I just love the book. Now, this thing I actually really do love, because I am just a sanitizer fanatic. I mean, I've got to have sanitizer on me all the time, and I love the packaging and the smell of this. It's great. It's like a spray sanitizer. Never had tried one until this one, and I love it. These chips right here, oh my gosh, I was so surprised. They were delicious, let me tell you. They were made from some kind of a purple potato, and it's cooked in coconut oil, and I really did like them. It really did surprise me. Now, this is from Deco, I believe is I think the brand is Deco, and it's a nail polish. And thank goodness, because I love a white nail polish, and I didn't have one. So I really do. I'm eager to try this out and see how pigmented it is, see how long it'll last. I just love polishes and beauty stuff, so I can't wait to give that one a go. Now, this is some of the essential oils that I've got, and I believe one is lavender and one is blossom, I think. I could be wrong on that. No, I have not opened these yet, but I love the smells and stuff of these, and just I cannot wait to dig into this stuff. Like I said, I'm doing this voiceover right after I unboxed it. Now, this is a nail file from Deco, which is kind of cute because you did get the polish with it, so I did like that. And I do love that it gives you a few beauty items in there just for a touch. This is an umbrella, and I couldn't believe when I opened this up in the box. I was like, oh my god, an umbrella. And actually, I really did need one, and this one is so cute. It's got a sunflower like on the inside of the umbrella when you open it up. Now, here, this is more my forte. This is a lip cream, and I'm going to put the brand up here because I don't remember what the brand is. I'm not looking at it right this second, but it's this beautiful copper shade, and it's a really sheer shade, so it would be great as a topper. Now, these are the two cards, and this is showing or telling about the essential oils that I got in the little brown bag, and this was so thoughtful to even throw those in there just so people know what to do with them, know what they're used for. So I did appreciate that touch of detail into this box. And this is the box before I actually rummaged through it and tore everything open. And I loved every single thing that I got. And again, I'm going to leave some information. I'm going to leave Bombay and Cedar linked below. Make sure you go check them out because their boxes really look like it is going to be for stuff that make you feel good. And I love like aromatherapy stuff. I love candles. I love having scents and all that stuff around me that put you in a better mood. And I just love this box. So make sure you go check them out, guys. We'll see you in the next one.